Welcome. In front of me is an iQOO Neo 7, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. So before you get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, straighten one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray. For that we do need to take off the case, as the tray is located at the bottom of the phone. So grabbing your tool, push it in where the tray is, which is this cutout right here. And you can see it pops up enough to pull it out. On the tray you have space for two different SIM cards, one on each side. Obviously you can occupy both of the trays if you want to, but I'll be using just one. And make sure you clip the card in place correctly. It should be laying flush on the tray and not protrude from it or fall out. Anyway, from there we're just gonna pop it back in, and the card should start working right away. There it is. So it shows up with a pin for me because I do have a SIM card pin, and this will then unlock it, and that's it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.